This is traditional window cleaning with a pole and a combination squeegee, such as a vice versa or a backflip. First, we're going to want to scrub and agitate all of the dirt with our solution. When we start our squeegee, we want to start at one top corner and cut in to the following corner with a straight pull down. We'll go back to that beginning point and follow the same process, making sure we have a 1 to 2 inch overlap. Our last stroke, we feather it in so that we avoid any extra drips or water building up at the top, so it requires less touch up. Remember, never let the solution dry while it's on the glass, especially in direct sunlight. Also, we want to make sure that we angle or adjust our pull to have a nice clean finish at the bottom. We don't want to have a short stroke, but have it go all the way to the edge. And to angle the squeegee so that it pulls the solution away from the clean area of the glass and we're not leaving streaks behind.